How to delete trusted merchant on Revolut. When you pay a recipient for the first time, we add them to a list of counterparties and automatically consider them trusted recipients. And in this video, we're going to learn how to delete a trusted merchant on Revolut. What you're going to do first is to open the app from your device, and there from your homepage, pay attention to the profile icon right in the top left corner, then click on it. You will be directed in here where if you just scroll down right to the bottom, you will see the option Trusted Merchant. Then tap to open this tab. In this page, here's where you can manage or delete the trusted merchant. You just have to follow the prompts to remove the merchant from your trusted list. And that is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching.